Welcome to the United States Collegiate Archery Association's web portal. In this session, we are going to explore how a team administrator or coach can manage their team membership and competition roster. All information except passwords have been imported from the Archers Management System, or AMS. So let's get started. To sign into the portal and begin managing your registrations, click Sign In the top right corner of the portal. Enter your email address from AMS. If this is the first time you have logged into the portal, click the radio button next to Yes, but I forgot my password, then click Sign In. You will receive an email with instructions to reset your password. Follow the instructions in the email to complete your password reset. After you have reset your password, you can complete the sign-in process. To start the management system, we'll select Manage Your Membership Account from the Membership drop-down. It is important to remember that the membership system is in development. We gratefully accept any and all comments and suggestions about the system. To send a message to the system coordinators, click the icon on the left and complete the form. Submit your comments and suggestions. The first screen that is displayed is your list of imported information from AMS. This may contain players from prior years, so we're going to need to go through, manage the system, add our new current players, and remove anybody who no longer belongs. To do that, we'll click Edit Players. The screen that is displayed is our current imported list. You'll see that we have the archer's name, player's name, their role in the team. This box is reserved for a jersey number if you happen to have one, whether we're going to pay for them at this point, what their membership status is, and the magic delete button trash can to get rid of them. So as we page down the list, we're going to go through we're going to remove the demo user by clicking the trash can. Then we're going to go back to the top. After we've deleted or removed our players that are no longer part of the active roster, we need to add the new ones. So we will invite a new person. We need to fill out what they are. In this case, they're our demo user. If we know their birthday, great. If we don't, we click on I don't know their birthday. Yes, they're over 14. And we need their email address. And we click Save. You'll notice that they show up at the top of the list, and this roll box is missing. If that happens, simply refresh this page. The list will be resorted. The new people will be now at the bottom, and their role is there. The default role is player. This little plus button to the side allows us to add additional roles. So we're going to make demo a coach and a team admin, and we're going to click the little X to remove the player. We're going to pay for this user. They're a coach. We choose their membership from the box that appears. We're going to review the list and take care of another couple while we're here. Make sure that one, we've got another member on the list. So we've maintained the list. At the bottom of the screen, we'll click Next. And we will be prompted for some information. Student ID is key. What their primary discipline is. If they are a judge, this could be left blank if they're not, and whether or not they're a coach. At the bottom of the screen, we have other users we'll have to do this for. Fill in the coach information, and then we verify the team information at the bottom. Name of the team, if there's an email address, status of them, contact information, and we'll move on to membership. Membership is our club membership at this point. We'll be prompted to pay the annual club fee, club membership fee, and we click submit. This brings us to our shopping cart. This is our invoice, what we used to send through PayPal. There are a couple things on here you'll notice. It says event, and there's some no charge this event. That is like the key to the top of everything, so that has to stay. It should be a $0 value. Our club membership, our $90 renewal, our coach memberships, and then we have an individual membership that we're paying for at this particular point in time. If we're missing information, we'll be prompted for it at the top. In this case, demo user is short some information, so we'll click on that, and we'll look through and see what is missing. Click membership on the individual. It's coach membership. We've completed everything that we have. Now we can either pay with credit or debit card or pay by check. If we choose pay by check, we'll be prompted with who to make the check payable to, all the appropriate information with the mailing address. A notice here that will update your process payment when we receive the check in the national office, and then a checkbox that you have followed you followed or will follow the instructions, and that will complete your registration process for your memberships. We're going to go back to the cart here. You'll notice at the top we have another little link that says share payment. If we're not going to pay for each individual user at this particular point in time, or we want them to log on and pay for it themselves, we can click share payment. We'll be given a URL that we can forward to each individual that they can then just click on and pay their portion of the invoice. And that's it. That's all there is to registering your team. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to call the national office, 949-829-4372, and one of us will be more than happy to answer your questions or walk you through any parts you're unsure of.